Hello, this is my review of the fresh containers. I've had these vegetables chopped and stored and labeled for a good period of time. I love the organization. I love how they have containers in the bottom that allows for the moisture to go down, and it stops the vegetables from getting slimy. This cabbage right here, I have a picture of, but I will open this and show you. Believe it or not, I have had this red cabbage for 3 weeks, making it in salads for my clients. Look at that, fresh, crisp. Don't look at my nails, I go tomorrow. So this is my small, modest review. I hope it is helpful. This has been really game-changing for me in my little side hustle for shopping and chopping for people. I go to the grocery store, get their vegetables, take them home and chop them, and then they pick them up for a fee. Filleting their chicken.
So here is the biggest container. Should be really easy to go on. So it'll snap on the 2 short sides. Oh. But not on the long sides. And actually, looks like it's not even snapping on both sides of the short one. Yeah, so pointless.